His body was found about 800 meters from where he was reported to have fallen about 3 hours after a team of firemen began a search and rescue operation. The body was later sent to the Pulau Pinang Hospital for post-mortem. Heavy rain since early morning also caused flash floods at several areas in the state, as well as landslide at Taman Lau Geok Swee, Paya Terubong, which left a temple buried on the hillside. Paya Terubong Fire and Rescue Station Chief Poh Leong Boon said the station received an emergency call to inform about the landslide at 8:10 a.m.